Hello folks, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about how to reverse the string, and this will be gonna to be part 2. I have already illustrated the reverse string in different forms, and this string will be reversed in different manner. So I will be talking in a bit how we have to reverse this string. But if you are going for the interviews, this type of questions will be definitely asked for you. So this type of questions you gonna to be asked in 8 out of 10. So these are the most frequently asked questions. So please make sure you have to understand the concept well, and let's get started now. So let's say here welcome is there. So for the first word welcome, we have to repeat like this. So W, it should come here in the first word itself, and E should come at the second last, and the string of the last word E should come at the first place of the reverse string. So again TO is there, so in the string TO is there, and after reverse this, so this becomes OT. In this manner we have to reverse this. So here what I will do, so this is our string str, right? So this is our string. So based on this reference variable, we will call one method split. So split based on this white space. So wherever there is white space, so here this is white space, here this is white space, here this is white space. So based on the white space, we will split it. So we will split this string based on this white space. Based on this white space, we will split it. And you know that the split return type is string array. So split is returning string array. So here we will create one string array, and we will name it as string ARR. So it represents that this is a string and this is array. So string ARR. Now, so whenever we will split this, so in a string array, what it will contains, let's say, so string array for the 0th index welcome will be there. So let me write it here. So a string array of 0th element, it will contains what? The welcome, and on the first element string array of obviously str array of 1 is equals to, here it will be 2, and again str array of 2, it contains Java. So this will be the string Java, and str array of third index, what it contains? Programming, right? Programming. Done. So at this string array, for the string array at the 0th index, this welcome will be there. At the first index, this 2 will be there. At the second index, this Java will be there, this Java, and the third index programming will be there. So this programming. Now we have splitted it and stored into a string array. Now what I will do, I will take one for loop, because I want to traverse the array elements from 0 to 3. So starting index, as you know that array index starts from 0 and it will go till the length. So here length is 4. So array index starts from 0, so it will go till 3rd. So here I will write int I is equals to 0, I less than what? str array dot length. So here this length variable indicates that this is the array. On the basis of array we are calling this length variable, so it will produce the size of the array. So from 0 till the str dot length, and every time I will do plus plus. Now under this, so this is the outer for loop. So this is the outer for loop. So outer loop will run for the this array element. Now under this 0th element we have this string welcome, right? So for this welcome we have to write another for loop. Another for loop int, we will take it as another variable j is equals to. Now you can see that this w comes here and this e came here, right? So as you can see that this is our string, right? Welcome. So how we have to take this e as the first character? So obviously we will start the loop from str array of I. So str array of I. So here I still is 0. So 0th element. So this welcome is there, and we have to start it from the last character. So on this we will use length method -1. Why -1? Because this string, what is the length for this? 7, right? So this string welcome is having the 7 length. So when it will starts from 0, so it will count till 6. So that's why I have taken this str dot array of I dot length -1. So till 6, and I greater than is equals to 0, and I minus minus, right? And in this what we have to do, one second, here I need to write j, and here I need to write j minus minus. And in this what we have to do, so str array of I dot char at, we have to use char at because we want one character at a time. So if we want one character at a time, then we have to use char at method, char at of j, and we will create one. So here we have to create character variable, so ch or ch. Now here in ch we will store it. So what we have done, once it will retrieve one character at a time, so we are storing into character ch variable, and ch variable is of char type. Now once it's done, and again we will take into one string, so string reverse str, and here, so I have created one reverse string. Why I have created reverse string, I will talk in a bit. So once this e is retrieved, now in the reverse string we have to concatenate it, because for now reverse string is empty. So first time e will be concatenated, second time when m will be retrieved by this statement, then we have to concat e and m, right? When this o will be retrieved by this element, then this reverse string we have to concatenate with em. Em was already already in reverse string, and we have to just concatenate o. So for that reason I have created this reverse string. So in this reverse string, reverse str is equals to, or you can do like this, plus is equals to ch. It is same like you can write it like this. So rav str is equals to, so this statement and this statement is same. Okay, let me remove this. Let me use it for now, this statement. So reverse str plus ch, and once it get it into reverse string, so when this for loop will be completed, so when this welcome will be completed, then this for loop outer for loop will be started, right? So I becomes 1, so I becomes 1 here, and it will run for this 2. So once it will be fetched, so what we have to do, under this welcome and 2, we have to, you know that welcome and this 2, in between there is one white space. So once this for loop will be completed, inner for loop, then we have to use reverse str is equals to reverse str plus 1 white space. So once in reverse string, let's say, so this is running for I is equals to 0, and this for loop is retrieved this welcome, the welcome from this EMOCLEW. So this welcome, this is where this welcome is reversed. So once this for loop will be completed, then in the reverse string what it contains, this welcome, right? Now when, so after this welcome there is one white space, so you can see there is one white space, so that's why I have put one white space here. So once this for loop will be completed, it will be in the reverse string, it will give one white space and it will store into reverse string. Now when all thing will be completed, and now I just want to print, so what's the value in it? So let me use system out.println after reverse, so we will use, let me copy this here, after reverse, and before reverse I just also want to print it here. So before starting of this for loop, I just want to print, so what I can write here, system out.println, oops, before reverse, before reverse. So before reverse, this string was in this str variable, so here we will write str, so str, that's it. Now you run this, so you can see that before reverse it was welcome to Java programming, and after reverse you can see that WELCOME. So this word, and so this word is reversed at its own place, this welcome. So this 2 is reversed at its own location 2. In the same way, programming is reversed at its own place, right? So this is the overall program.